Yo, 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 what's good? TikTok, what's good? YouTube. Uh, mm, all right, cool. Yeah, what up, you guys? What up? What up? Let's have a look. Here we go. Let's see what's going on here. Big bullish day. What's up, Shib? Big bullish day here on gold. The bulls are out to play. The bulls are out to play. Nice Wall Street. Good man. Very good. Okay, so let's have a look here. Big bullish down gold. NQ, what are you looking at? What are you looking like? NQ's not doing much just yet. Do a quick top down on gold just to see where we're at here. Let's do a quick toppy on gold. What's the weekly look like at the moment? So weekly's breaking out of this consolidation range. We've been stuck in it for about a month. We just broke the previous monthly high. We did just break the previous monthly high. So let's drop back to the daily. Very bullish, kind of breaking out of this range here. The next daily level of resistance is here, which you kind of just tapped into. 4 hours pushing up here. I mean, the next 4 hour is there. That's the next 4 hour breakouts level. 1 hour just came back and closed red. Left a decent tail here. Let me look to the left again on the 1 hour. So that level is very relevant to the 1 hour as well. Pretty important level up here. 30-minute just closed, all right. And 15's down here. Yeah, I don't know. I'd sell gold if this came back and closed small body green. You here to avenge your boy? Very good. What up, Wes? What's good, Harmless? What up, what up, what up? Or let's have a look for potential buys. Potential buys. Yeah, there's a case for buys. I mean, even if this was to engulf the previous 15, you obviously want to buy. Like it's going to make more sense to try and buy the market, and we could look at this for targets. Let's see. I think this candle's going to give us a lot of information. This candle could tell us a lot. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for the YouTube stream as well. If you guys are here on the YouTube stream, show some love. Show real love. NQ. I'll do a quick overview on NQ. NQ, I mean, massive daily level right here. Massive daily level up here. It breaks above there. 4 hour, looking like some support to break above. Look at the 4 hour level. Look how perfectly respected this is. You're only going to get this move as an impulse. You're not going to get a clean breakout here. Yeah, same on these other time frames. Hour and 15. Yeah, I don't know what to do on NQ. I don't know what to do on NQ, and that's okay. Who's messaging me? Yeah, that's kind of what's good, I reckon. I haven't had a shave in like a week, so I'm looking like a homeless dude. All good. I'm in a buy at the bottom. I keep trying to round trip me before a real move. Wait, if you're in a buy at the bottom, it's like you've got the real move, G. Thought this was a Jerkmate stream? I mean, it could, you know, things can happen. Things can change quick. Things can definitely change quick. Oh, fuck, 1 sec.
Thanks, dude. You should have.
I used to think. Potential buys. Potential B-Dogs. Yeah, hopefully you guys doing well in life. And that's going to be the main thing. You really inspired me. Thank you, bro. I'm glad to hear. The thing about inspiration, though, you got to act on it quick. Oh, sorry about the coffee machine. Sorry. Yeah, I'll buy, I think. Let's see how this candle wants to close for us. Sorry about that coffee machine, it's going crazy. Then, do you feel that trading is still fun or is it a job as for now? Neither. Neither. It's just neutrality. I was actually thinking about that yesterday. It's one of the powers of live streaming. Is very rarely I'll be looking at the charts. Most of the time I'm looking at the chat or doing something else. The less you look at the charts, the better. Because the more I look at the candles moving up and down, the more I start to build a story in my head of what I believe is going to happen next. And what I believe and the emotions that attach to that belief are nothing but trouble. That's why I say, guys, mark your levels and just wait for the thing that we need to see. Don't even look at the charts. Because it'll start becoming a bit of a mirage. And you'll start convincing yourself of things that just aren't based on reality. And what that means is reality is neutral in the charts. There's no, my personal belief is this, none of that matters. That's why you need a trading strategy just to do all the thinking for you. So yeah, it's not fun or work, it's just neutral. Did the delivery man look at you sad this time, bro? Every time. Every time, man. These guys are just from downstairs, like literally they're attached to my building. They'll bring up, I'll just message them on WhatsApp and they bring shit up. Can you please check the 30-minute, giving us nice confirmation at 3 p.m.? I don't know about times and stuff. You just tell me what you're talking about. Oh, you got cooked on MQ longs? Yeah, I don't wonder where. China. How much you built on the account before taking a payout? I've got 4 funded accounts now with Toppy. I wanted this week just to trade a bit of prop firm because I've been trading a lot of personal account lately. So first things first, I just activated one of these accounts and I just want to see if I can get a payout, if it'll come through without you know what happening, and then I'll chip away on these other accounts. Blaming his farts on the coffee machine. Shit. Maybe direction sell, bro. I'm not getting any sell confirmations just yet. We'll see how this candle wants to close. This closure is going to be really important. How long we got? 4 minutes. I used to think. Here's the thing, you guys. I'm drinking a coffee here. You guys realize I make a lot of money trading, but every day, if you lived a day of my life, all I'm doing is spending time strategizing and taking action on other business ventures as well. That's what my whole days are typically filled with. Outside of like mentoring and doing the one-on-ones with the mentor students and shit like that, everything else is about how can I build a better social media presence? How can I build this business? How can I optimize this? Don't ever put all your eggs in one basket, you guys. You really gotta try shit. Dan, you're a legend. Your approach is confident boosting. Let's get it. Let's get it, my G. Fidget spinners for life. Bro, this spins for so long. If it's closed like this, I'll take a sell. Coffee machine is the new gold signal. We'll see. China. Do you only trade London, New York? I trade pre-London into an hour London. And then an hour into New York, I trade onwards. I don't have time. Asia's too early for me, but otherwise I would love to trade Asia. Danny, how's it going? Eddie saying hi from the Discord. What up, Eddie? Big Eddie, the Discord goat. Dan, love you, bro. Love you too. Love you too, my G. We've got 2 minutes for a closure here. So if we get a small body closure like this, I'll probably sell. If we get a bullish closure like this, I'll probably buy. And if we get a closure that looks like this, I'll have to wait. This is implying strong bullish momentum engulfing the previous. This is implying sellers kind of setting up a potential impulse sell here, a bit of support formed. And this is implying neither of anything, just indecision. Doesn't mean that if this prints, price can't just smash up or melt down. It just means that based on my system, it doesn't give me enough confirmation on which decision I should make. It's about like the candles giving you the clues on what decision is going to be a higher probability over something else happening. And the probability only needs to be slightly. Like my dashboard right now, I'll put 50K on a 50K account. Like, so I've doubled the account, put $50,000 on it in about 30 trading days. And it says my win rate's probably like 72%, but it's not. I think it would probably be closer to 65, which is a lot. Like that's a lot. That's really good. So yeah, all you need is that slight edge. Yo, Inner, what up, bro? I haven't seen you in a hot minute. Hope you're good, G. Your words of wisdom makes me chickens. Yeah, don't trade. I know it's like the most generic thing to say, bro, don't trade with emotions, but it's true. Yeah, I'm pretty interested in a sell. I'll tell you one thing I'd have to do, because this candle has no bottom wick, I'm gonna need to let it double tap here, and I'll probably miss the trade. meaning I'm going to need it to break the lows here and then hope it rejects like this, and then I'll put an order in, right? If you're going to take this, understand it is a counter trend trade, so it's obviously already a lower probability, but I'm not mad at how the hour looks. I like the 30. I think this is a good trade. I'm getting signs that I should sell right now. So I have to take the trade because I'm getting the signs of that. If I don't take it, then I'm not trading my system. Oh my God, bro. It's so fucking cold. It's just ridiculous. What confirmations? Yeah, I just went through that. Where do you see the day trading game in 5 years' time? Don't even think about it. I only think about my day trading game. I don't even know what that even means, to be honest. The only thing I know about day trading is like I just show up and try and make money with these candles that move up and down and then help others do the same. That's it. And I also take pride in adapting. So the way that we trade now is different to last year. It's going to be different next year. Like, not completely different, but we have to constantly adjust to the market. And myself being a mentor and essentially a leader in a community, it's my duty to evolve with the markets and not leave anyone behind that I'm teaching, which I take that role seriously. Yeah. And the only way to do that is to trade a lot. Like, believe it or not, I'm really about this life. People don't think about if you got other business ventures or you do mentoring that, you know, you start to step away from trading. Not me, bro. I show up every day. I'm on the charts fucking all day. And I don't really need to be. I've got other sources of income. But I'm in it for the love of the game, my G. I'm in it for the love of the game. It's a really good way to make money. It's a really good way to make money. So I enjoy making money this way. How much capital did you have when you moved to Dubai? Not much. I'll be honest, bro, not much. But I had a dream. I had a dream and a vision, and I'd done the calculations that I believed that I had enough evidence to suggest that I could pull it off. I can see why people told me you look like Michael B. Jordan. I look like Michael B. Jordan. Wow. God help you, bro. You are honest, good influencer here. Thank you, bro. Look like pro surfer. Have you considered magic keys? Nah, can't be bothered. I need a fidget spinner. Yeah, they're good, Allison. Can you explain to me? Fuck, do I want to let this double tap? There's a high probability of missing this. I'm going to have to let it double tap though. MT5 or C-Trader? Actually, most people are going to say MT5, but I got a soft spot for C-Trader. I used to use it back in the day. It just brings back old memories. Can you please explain how to make it work with taking off 80% of the profit? I find that my losses are wiping. Here's the thing. Taking off 80% isn't about necessarily making you more money. The idea is, look, the idea is if price were to move down here and I entered here, my stop loss was here, and theoretically my full TP was here for a 1-to-1. But instead at 80% of the way I took off 80% there, then I would drag that original take profit all the way down here to see if I can get a bigger win, because what would have been at a 1-to-1, $100 win, if I can cut $80 there and then move this down, it's probably going to be like $120 win, right? So I'm making more out of the trade if it plays out. Now, if instead of this being $100 was 1,000, that's a 1,200 or 10,000, 12,000. You can see what I mean? But not only that, if I secure there, go BE at 80%, secure $80 and go BE, you're going to have a higher win rate. Now, maybe you're not going to get much that full TP hit a lot of the time, but fuck, you're going to have a better psychology with having a higher win rate. And for me, in the way that I teach and the guys that I work with, I've found that having a higher win rate strategy It's just better on psychology. So yeah, most of the time you're not going to get your full partials hit, but fuck, it's better on your psychology having a higher win rate. And you know, no, Pez is still alive. Yeah, I've spoke to Pez recently. He's good. He's just kind of doing his own thing. Come back to Top Step. Oh, I'm giving it a little crack here. I knew I could get in the door, but I don't know. I'm testing out to see if I can get a payout. Well, I know I can get a payout. I mean, if they're going to pay me. This isn't a good sign for sellers right now. This isn't a good sign. On these type of plays, it should just kind of drop. This isn't a good sign for sellers. NQ's stuck in the mud. That's the best live explanation for risk I've seen someone. Nice. Yeah, I think it makes sense. Yeah. It's not always about like, oh, I want to make more money. It's like management, risk management. Logan Paul, how much is your free course? Brother. Has a bottom week on Top Step? No, it doesn't. This is Top Step. And even if it's got the tiniest little dick bottom wick, like that's not a good sign. Like a wick's a wick. Like, you know, we know what a wick is. Were you always black? Black from the waist down. All good. Oh, it was PMI today. Forex Factory. I don't see PMI. Orange folder. I don't know if that's going to have much of an impact. Let's see. Oh, look at this Harmless over here. Harmless is a good trader here in the chat. You're a great mentor and the community has changed the game for me. Appreciate that, brother. That's good to hear. Yeah, I think we're doing something good, man. I think we've got something good going on. How much capital did you have when you moved to Dubai? I won't tell you how much I had, but it's less than you would think. You look like Tinky Winky. Bro, what? Who the fuck is Tinky Winky? Tinky Winky. What? How do I look like a fucking teddy bear? I'm good. Yeah, see what I mean? Not a good sign for sellers. So we'll see what happens here. And remember how I said when I explained those 3 different candles? But I said, even though it's structured like this, doesn't necessarily mean it can't just shoot up or down. It's just about like stacking the probabilities, really. Yo, Tucker Banks in the chat. What up, brother? Bro, I'm waiting for somebody to get back from me on the team. It's been 1 month and nothing yet. Yeah, it's because, you know, they're not going to get back to you, bro. If you didn't sign up when they met with you, then there's no point contacting you. Yeah. Didn't you say you moved with 10K? Bro's fucking full doxing me in the chat. No, I don't necessarily remember the number, but it was I mean, I could explain, like, yeah, I had it all in my head sussed out, but regardless, it was risky. Okay, at 33 years old, you guys, this is literally what I did 1.5 years ago. I had a full-time job. I fucking quit the job, literally sold all the furniture in my house, sold my car, filled up 2 suitcases, or like 1 suitcase and a carry-on, and moved to Dubai. When I got here, I didn't even have a house or a car. I just started looking for rentals when I got here. I was like, all right, let me start looking for rentals. I didn't pre-plan anything. I fucking hired a car at the airport, at Dubai airport, and then just started looking for houses. Like, top 10 crazy things to do at the age of 33, but I did it. And it was a massive risk, but it paid off. Now I'm in a position that I would not have thought I would be at a 1.5 years down the track. Man, thanks for the videos. Appreciate. Oh, nice, brother. Yeah, pleasure is mine, man. It's good that's helped. Oh yeah, NYSE next candle. Okay, let's see. Let's see if we can get some movement here on NQ. What up, Stuart? I love you from India. Say Mohammed Feroz. Mohammed Feroz. What up, my G? How's rental property around Dubai? Isn't it easy to get? Yeah, it's easy. The thing about rental in Dubai, which is different to other places, is here you have to pay in either 3 months, 6 month, or 1 year upfront in checks. So it's not like, oh, you know, in Australia, it's like, yeah, I'm paying like $500 a week. It's like, nah, you got to pay in like month, 3 month minimum chunks up front, which is kind of good as well, because then I know if you pay it up front, then you know, oh, I don't have to pay anything for like 3 months now. What's your dream car? Probably a Urus, to be honest, at the moment. I keep looking at cars. I'm like, I should probably get a car because I still just use a shitty rental Kia. I'm like, I suppose I should get a car soon, man. So I've been looking. Test drove one the other day. See what happens. John Cena or The Undertaker? I mean, I don't watch anything, but I used to remember The Undertaker, so I don't know anything about John Cena, but I know a fair bit about The Undertaker. The Undertaker. So we've got NYSE coming in here in 3 minutes, and we'll see if it can provide some volume for us. Nice, Tucker. Yes, sir. Tinky Winky. You look like Dipsy? Yeah, I'm too scared to Google that. Yep, NYSE coming in, so it's going to force a bit of direction here on NQ. I mean, we've got like the most crazy targets above here on NQ ever. But that's also the catch of it all is like, I mean, a lot of participants in the market feel like this as well. So it's like, will NQ just fake everyone out? Who knows? Who gives a shit? What did you learn about Raja Banks? I learned a lot from the both of you. I learned how to pick up chicks from Raja mainly. You just go up to them and ask to fill their wick. Yeah. Guy with Rolex drives a Kia? Bro, you wouldn't believe it. It's crazy. I got jewelry and shit here that it's like worth 10 of my fucking cars that I drive. It's wild. I'm just still not like, I'm still in the mindset. I'm like, who gives a shit? Like, it's just, I just need to get around. Oh, fuck. All right, man. 55 seconds here for a closure. 55. For a type 1, can we ignore the wick and use the close instead if the previous candle is a long upside? I mean, it depends what you mean. If you're talking about like for the breakout level, it's not ever based on wick. It's always based on structure. So yeah, be based on that. And then maybe wick could be a potential target. I don't know. Let's see. First time in your stream, you give buy or sell entry signals? No, but I'll tell you what I am going to do. I'm going to ban you. So let me remove this guy. I'm going to put you in a 10-minute timeout because that just pissed me off. All good. Advice not clear. I tried this to have court next month. Shit. Yeah, that can happen. All right, here's NYSE. Here's NYSE. And price is just pushed up here on NQ the last second. Wow. Is it a 1 hour? Is it? Oh, here we go. Yeah. She's alive. She is alive. Let's see. Yeah, we've got to bust out NFP Sunnies this Friday. We've got NFP stream this Friday, 100%. Load up your fucking accounts. We're going all in. We're going all in. Just trade? Brutal? What do you mean? Bro, get Mercedes. It's cheap in Dubai. Is it really cheaper in Dubai? I live in JVC. No, I don't go based on NQ to determine gold direction. Not at all, no. Could there have been a potential impulse entry? Not for me. I don't take certain... my impulse entries are like have to be very specific, and those specifics aren't being presented here. Oh, and people are moving to Brazil? Yeah, I'd move to Brazil as well for the scenery. Definitely, nothing else. Nothing else would I move to Brazil for. It would definitely be for the scenery. Loud shirts, NFP sunnies, and margin calls. Exactly, bro. That's right. The killer combo. Get that NFP money bag. So here we go. This 1 hour candle, no bottom wick. Neither was a previous one or any of these. Just so much bullish volume in the market that it's just saying, hey, F all you guys. We're pushing. Pushing 40. I'm new here. What's up, Patrick? I saw your video on how God played a role in your trading journey. Nice. Yep, that's right. Not so much trading journey, but more life journey that just so happened to coincide along with trading at the time. NQ stuck in this range. Tug of war going on here. Tug of war going on here with NQ. You look like an Australian surfer? Nah, I'm just an Australian bum, really. Damn, I want to trade. I knew it was going to be tough showing up today after such a bullish volume. 30 looks quite nice for buys. But only on the 30, really. Yep, so we've got to be patient here. Knew it was going to be tough showing up for a day like this where it's just been so bullish. This has to be over 1,000 pips, right? Yep, 1,400 ticks today on gold. Bananas. Yeah. So, let's see. Make sure you guys on YouTube drop a thumbs up as well for the stream. Get thummy with it. Back at it with another video. NQ buyers taking over here. Let's see what happens. See if gold wants to break above this level. It's going to be tough today. We're going to have to get kind of impulsy. I wish I can trade myself, not going to lie. Well, learn. Because everybody that started trading had the same wish, but then they learned. They put the effort and the time in. They put the effort and the time in to learn it. Because here's the thing, you can learn it. It's a skill. It's a skill that you can develop. You don't have to go to university. You don't have to get a degree. It's just you on a screen and a mirror, essentially, because it's you versus you a lot of the times. No, I can't trade Asia. It's too early where I live. What's the best advice you could give for all traders trying to make it? I mean, it's tough because the best advice it won't hit as hard because the best advice I could give would be to you. So if you ask a direct question for the best advice based on your personal circumstances, then it's going to hit better, because if I say the best advice for all traders, it's just going to be generic as shit. Because all the generic shit is the truth. Hard work, discipline, don't give up, try and get better, make sure your strategy is good, don't overtrade, psychology. It's all the generic shit that matters. And just longevity in the game. Don't get burnt out. A lot of traders get burnt out, and they should blame their system, to be honest. A lot of people have like dated systems or like systems with trading systems with a lot of holes in it. So their psychology is so cooked because their trading system is cooked. That's a real thing. So yeah, make sure your system is up to scratch. Based on your experience, what is one of the most important habit or lessons I should focus on if I want to become a consistently profitable trader? Just showing up every day, bro. Journaling, making sure you're aware of your weaknesses and highlighting your strengths. Not even your strengths, just focus on your weaknesses, like improving your weaknesses. Oh, first time I started trading, I lost 8K with the Telegram signal group. Oh, look at this. See, buyers faked out sellers faking out buys. Everyone's getting cooked here. You back in Australia? Nah, I'm in Dubai. Yeah, I'm in Dubai. All right, we've got some levels here now. Hopefully this closes red. This will be good if this closes red. Then we get kind of stuck in this range, and then we can try and catch the breakout. Is Asia session tough this week? It's going on my favor after hitting stop loss. Well, that means it's tough for you specifically based on your system. So it's like now you have to do the tweaks and like analyze. Could you have opened your SL a little bit more, or? Yeah, sometimes the market's a bit volatile some weeks, and you have to make the adjustments quick. Yeah, act quick. Remember, the market is never the same as yesterday. Now, when I say adjust, I keep it within your parameters of your system, but there's minor adjustments that you might need to make throughout. Naz, crazy. Restraints your edge? Yeah, exactly. Restraints an edge. You can jump on my channel, commission files. I got heaps of videos. What say your family when you go to Dubai to be trader? It was hard. It was hard. It was real hard, especially for my niece, because she doesn't have a dad around as well. So like, that was hard. But it had to be done for her benefit. Yeah, it had to be done for her benefit. That's why I hate going back to Australia, because when I have to leave to go back to Dubai, it's always so fucking emotional. Not for me, them. They're like crying and crazy. But it has to be done. Why there a trend people moving out of Australia? Because people don't want to pay tax. Whoa, Goldie. Fucking so much bullish volume in the market, man. It's unbelievable. NQ's flying now. No, don't get jumpy, you guys. Trust me, bro. You know, me showing up here in green today is like very lucky. Not lucky, but days like this, traders usually, most will get cooked. Let's not get jumpy and just wait for like clear signals. Don't get jumpy on a day like today. No. Especially if you've seen like NQ, what NQ's been doing. Like yesterday, it was so bullish and you just want to kind of get up some big plays and shit. Like, let's not get jumpy. Let's just wait for a good setup. There's going to be plenty of days to catch good setups. Then I met Raja. After 2 years, I met with you. Now I'm quit my 9 to 5. Oh, nice. Awesome, bro. Congratulations. Always enjoy your live streams. Thank you, JB. Let's not get jumpy, gang. What were some of the worst habits back then when you were stuck in unprofitable? It was just revenge trading. That was my biggest one. Revenge trading. Just couldn't take a loss. Couldn't take a loss. Very, very difficult to get over. Always say don't come onto the chart expecting to take a trade. Yeah, don't expect it. Just let a setup develop, and then click it. Let a trade come to you. I always say to you, like on stream and shit, I'm like, you're not entitled to a trade. The market doesn't owe you a setup just because we're sitting here. Very important not to come in with this entitlement like, I've been sitting in front of the charts for hours. Why can't I get a setup? It's like, you're not entitled to a setup. I lost money because I'm not being patient. How can I improve? Just be patient. Just fucking, the only way you can improve is by being patient. No, I get it, man. It's hard. I mean, step number 1 is awareness. So you know that's why you're getting cooked. So now you got to just work on it. You got to work on it, brother. Just wait for your trade setup. The key is knowing your trading setup and then not do anything until that setup comes. Oh, I just entered NQ longs. Wow. I mean, it doesn't look like you're screwed. Looks like it's going up. How did you get over regen trading? Just a lot of time, just experience over time and trying to get better. It's just a time thing and making the effort to get better at not doing it. Because all the results were there. Every time, if I looked at my data, it was always, I'd be doing well for fucking, my accounts would look like this. It would just be freaking, if you look at the dashboard, it's just going up like this, right? With the losses having then pullbacks. The pullbacks, but it's going up. And then it would always just look like this at the end. And it was always due to one day I would go on tilt and just revenge trade it all the way in one day, every time. So this was all like a month. And then this was one day. That happened so much where I was so mentally exhausted. I'd cried, I'd screamed, I'd fucking banged my hands on my desk. Got so exhausted with that over time, I just slowly stopped doing it. I just got exhausted from revenge trading, if anything. I was like, I just can't. I know if I jump back in and do this, it's going to be a long night, a long emotional night. I'm just going to fucking walk away. And then eventually over time, the results started to speak for themselves where those big drop-offs stopped happening. And, the best confidence is to see the improvement as well. So, yeah, just time and experience. You start to get better at not doing that dumb shit. How much rent do you pay in Dubai? I don't know. I pay in 3-month chunks. It comes to like $750 a week Australian dollars or some shit. It's only a one better. I love your honesty. I mean, yeah, man. I'm only saying it because I'm no different to anyone else here. No, we're all the same, man. NQ's pushing up. All good. Looks like it's breaking these highs over here. Yep. Ready? Watch this pop. Watch this pop. Or reject. Who cares? So this is the good news about gold. We're in this range. So we've kind of got gold cornered here to a degree. We're in this range right here. And we've kind of got gold cornered. So whatever it wants to do, we're going to be like a sniper in the distance watching. If you want to break out to the bottom end, we'll be there. Bang. We'll catch you, bitch. If you want to break out to the top end, boom. We'll catch you, bitch. So the number one thing is we're here watching now. We've got gold cornered here, which is a good place to be if you're a breakout trader. All right. This is a good place to be if you're a breakout trader, you guys. Yep. Which prop firm is good for instant funding? I would highly suggest you don't do instant funding. If you can trade well, you can just get funded in like a day or two max with any prop firm for like a quarter of the price, and then you got better payout rules and everything. So it sounds like you're probably just chasing, trying to get to the money too quick. Yeah. Yeah, like Tucker says here, or coming close to passing an account or getting a payout and then blowing it all. Yep. Those moments where like pressure's on kind of thing are tough as well. Trading to profit, I just didn't see the setup that I would need to see to buy it back up. Are you back at Top Step? I mean, I could always purchase a new account. Like my one that has 26k in it, this one, there's nothing I can do. Like I can't, like if I press something, it just rejects it. So I thought, let me see if I can get a couple of accounts here and see if I can actually request a payout and they'll pay me. And if they do, I'll try and rinse. Because I like to trade in Top Step. It was good. Top Step or FTMO? Top Step. Unless you're interested in paying $500 for a fucking FTMO account. Do you do top-down analysis? Yeah, just a quick one. Yeah, at the start of the session. Yeah. What happened with that account? I mean, they just paused it. I just can't request anything. After 11 minutes, PMI, yeah, I don't think it's going to have much of an impact, to be honest, so. What do you think of Tradeify? I don't think about anything like that. Like you guys that think about platforms and what broker should I use and what platform and prop, it's just like, just trade, bro. Honestly, just trade. Trust me. It's the only thing you should be thinking about. Yes, price action trader. So kind of got gold cornered here, looking for a breakout. I'm looking for a breakout and hopefully we can get that. You guys here on YouTube, I'd appreciate if you press the thumbs up button. so we can go crazy viral. We go on schizo viral. Oh, NQ, what are you doing, you slippery little sausage? I wonder if NQ will break back into this range down here. Yeah, keeping gold at gunpoint, exactly. We're literally keeping gold at gunpoint right now. It's one of my favorite positions to be in, which is reverse. I sounded gay. Yeah, we've got gold kind of cornered here. And whichever way it wants to break out, we're going to be there with literally a lethal weapon to shoot it down. Slippery sausage. Slippery little sausage is my favorite name, thank you. Account cycling, I guess that's why it paused. What do you mean? What do you mean? Huh? No, yeah, I always get one-step accounts with futures accounts. I don't think any Forex accounts do one-step, do they? It's almost like there's going to be one coming into the industry that is going to be doing that. Oh, they do? FTMO does? Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, I didn't even know. I just thought potentially. All right, gold, hook us up, my G. Oh, FTMO does it, but it's double the price. Yeah. I don't know where these guys get their freaking pricing from.
In the beginning.
Iran and Oman negotiations finalized. Prop XP does, yes. Let's get it. NQ faking everyone out. Nice. Yeah, I know. And FTMO is crazy expensive. They only get away with it because they've got a longevity in the game. What are you up to, Goldie? What kind of slippery little game are you playing with us? Yeah, I'm with you, Muhammad AK. I'm with you, G. If NQ closes small body red, I might take an impulse buy. Because we've got such crazy targets up here. That'll be a pretty strong 30 closure. I don't think it's going to. Maybe, we'll see. Oh, it's the 4 hours about to close on NQ. The 4 hours are about to close on NQ. Is that same as gold? Yeah, 4 hour futures on gold is about to close as well. Interesting. What about FX? What about Forex? No, Forex is still open. 3 hours. Don't. Do you use the same system for NQ and gold? Yes. There's obviously nuances and things, but yeah, basically same shit. Your trading experience? Well, I went to Traders School of Pipology, and then I graduated and got a PhD in graphs and chart phonetics. And then I graduated with honors from Degeneracy University. 4 hour has no bottom week? Yeah, I mean, what are you gonna do? Would you take? Would it be crazy to take a long on Nasdaq right now? I mean, right now, yeah, because there's no direction, there's no confirmation, it's just flipping up and down. Candle closures will give you a bit more of information. Yeah, University of Chartsville. Best time frame for beginners? No such thing. Yeah, no such thing, my G. Just trade. Yeah, whoever said that, you kind of right off. There is shit to the left over here on gold. You're fucking right. There's a lot of shit to the left. I mean, you could potentially like aim for this kind of range up here. What does it look like on the 30? Yeah, it's kind of nice on the 30. They're 1 hour wicks. We'll see. We'll see. I'd rather sell based on that. I'd rather like see it pop up and not give us a chance to ride and then fail and break back in and we could sell it back in this range. I could see something like that happening as well. Break even the past 7 months and I missed all the trades past 1 week and I control myself forcing other random. Yeah, I mean, the whole idea of missing trades, if you're missing trades, it just means you don't understand your trading system. Like you shouldn't miss trades. Like the only way you miss trades is you're just trading at any time. You have to have allocated times that you can trade. You have to have allocated repeatable times that you trade. So we show up and trade the exact same times, the exact same day, every single day for years and years and years. There's no, oh, I trade when I feel like it. No, you got to pick your times and then show up every day at those exact same times. So you shouldn't be missing trades technically. That's going to be your issue there. Yeah. Yeah, big closures coming up here. Big hour closures coming up here. 4 hour closures as well on futures. We have some big closures coming up. Done for the day. 2 losses, blown account. See you tomorrow. Nice, nice. I mean, I hope you're doing the analysis and not just going to sleep and then hoping that tomorrow is going to be different. You've got to do the self-analysis on why you took 2 L's and blew the entire account. You've got to do the self-analysis because if you don't, you're just going to go in the basket of dumb traders. You've got to do the self-analysis. It's fine to take a loss. It's fine to take 2 losses. But did that second loss, did you size up? Did you double the size to try and make it all back and then that loss so you blew the account? And was that trade even needed? Was the second trade like even a proper setup? You know, that kind of shit. And if the answer is no, I shouldn't have. Yeah, you're right. I shouldn't have. And you got to make a conscious effort and decision to not do it again. You'll do it again, but be conscious next time. Don't trade unconscious. Say this all the time to guys. Unconscious trading is extremely dangerous. What unconscious trading looks like? I mean, what unconscious trading looks like is jumping onto the charts, seeing a potential setup, not really doing the proper analysis and just clicking the button. You didn't plan the trade. You didn't decide, I'm going to put my stop loss here, take profit here, you know, all this kind of jazz. You're just jumping in. Plan the trade before you take the trade and stay conscious throughout. Plan to lose a trade, expect to lose a trade. Okay, if this starts going against me, how am I going to manage it? Expect the worst and whatever good comes is just a bonus. You got to expect the worst. Whoa. This isn't NYSE. No. All right. Let's see what happens here on NQ. Potential buys. Super duper risky. Super duper volatile and risky. If I were to take a buy, this is a practice account. I'm about to take a practice account buy.
Order
Just want to see
filled.
what this range. Yeah, it's pretty heavy.
Order filled.
I might have to go to MNQ if I'm going to take a buy. But this is a bad sign with this bottom wick here now. Yeah, that's cancelled out the buy for me on gold on NQ. It can still do it, but it's cancelled out for me now. For these type of impulse plays, you don't really want a bottom. You don't want another big wick like that. You need it to kind of to start moving pretty much straight up. It can definitely push, but it's cancelled it out for me personally. All right, man. Gold's just broken at this level. We didn't get a breakout. It's at the level. Getting conflicting things. With further analysis, buys are quite dangerous on gold. I would love to see like an impulse pop here and then it fail and come back into the range. I would love to sell if that could happen. So I'm going to see what this current candle can do. See if it can present something. If it can't, I'll walk away. If it can, I'll jump in. Sleeping while trading. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, bro, I'm fucking English. How English? How to avoid tilt after trading? Experience. If you've got like an account where you can manually lock the account, do that. Like have it already set in for a daily loss limit. Should trade only one session a day as a beginner. I mean, it depends what you mean. As a beginner, you should be obsessed. You should be on the charts all day, every day, losing all your money, blowing your mind out and just hating life. You've got to be obsessed initially. But then start to filter it down. Find the sessions that you shine the most in and start filtering it down after that. Bro, I've tried like 3 times to put $200 into a personal account and build it up with big swing positions. I've got it up to like 1,500 literally 3 times and then blown it. So I'm like, I'm just sick of this. Because I'm like, in my head, I'm like, yeah, let's get up to like 3 grand and then I'll pull it back and start trading it like how I would usually trade. Because I can't grow a $200 account by scalping the market. You need swing positions because you don't have the margin yet. Yeah, they added a manual lockout to Tradeovate. Yeah, that's a great addition. So I'm going to need this candle to give me something here. Yeah, here's NQ. Makes sense that this is failing, if you ask me. Wealth charts has a thing. Wealth charts has a thing where it detects tilt trading. The only issue with wealth charts is it's the worst platform of all time. So although I like that, you've got that other issue. You open up wealth charts and it's like a fucking, like an airplane dashboard with all the shit. Oh no, that's current 4 hour. Let's see what these 4 hours look like on gold. Super duper bullish on NQ. Previous one at that same level. Yeah, let's see, man. Big candle close. This candle's going to tell us a lot. Yep, this candle's going to tell us a lot. So we're going to have to see. Yeah, big rejecto on NQ. We'll see what this candle can give us, man. All right, so here's it popping up here. Yeah, I want to see a fail attempt here or something. I don't know if we're going to get it. I don't know if we're going to get it. It's just so bullish. Like hoping that it breaks back in the range is like a big ask. It's a really big ask. You got too much choppy. There's too much shit to the left. Can't really buy gold, unfortunately. See what happens. NQ's leaving no survivors. NQ is leaving no survivors. Yeah, big ask here on gold. We'll see. Big ask here on gold. We'll see. Yeah, NQ's account hunting. NQ's just out for blood. Who could be ringing me from Saudi Arabia? Hello? Hello? Yellow. Oh, hey. Who's this? What car is it? No, I did. I rented the Oh wait, no, I didn't rent that. No, that's you got the wrong number. Did you say a Jag? Can you call me back in 15 minutes? Okay, thank you, thank you. Yeah, we'll see what gold does here. Can't do anything until I see something. What do you do when prices like this rally? I mean, if you get a setup, then you're good to go. If you don't, there's just not much you can do, bro. Unfortunately. Yeah. You can click buy and close your eyes and you probably could fucking get a win, but I mean, it's going to be tough to have a system built around that. You know what's crazy? There's people that took buys down here and they're just like, yay. Got a couple minutes, see what this candle can do. See if this candle can give us anything. See if she can give us anything. Not looking good. Yeah, I'm gonna call it here, you guys. Not looking good. It's just price is just bullish. What are you gonna do? You can close your eyes and click buy. I'm not going to do that personally. There's just nothing. There's no evidence there for that to be a repeatable system, so I'm just not going to bother. But yeah, just super bullish, super bullish. No FOMO. Don't get jumpy. I promise you, bro, if you can just not even watch the charts, you're going to be probably better off. Because you're going to feel FOMO if you keep watching these charts just move up. So yeah, I'm probably going to call it. No point to get jumpy at when there's no setup. There's just movement. That's the thing. You can predict. We can all say, yeah, price is moving up. But where are you going to enter? That makes sense to your trading system, right? Tough. So yeah, I'm gonna walk away for a while and we'll be back tomorrow. It's all good. Appreciate you guys jumping on anyway. Have a good day, and I'll chat to you guys soon. See you later, guys. Goodbye.